died of vengeful tyrants stricken in their bloom. But they met him face to face with the courage of their race, and they went with souls undaunted to the doom. God save Ireland, said the heroes. God save Ireland, said they all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, oh, no matter when, for Ireland here we fall. Here around with cruel foes, still their courage proudly rose, for they thought of hearts that loved them far and near. For the millions true and brave, for the ocean swelling wave, and the friends and dear old Ireland ever dear. God save Ireland, said the heroes. God save Ireland, said they all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, oh, no matter when, for Ireland here we fall. Climb they up the rugged stair, climb their voices out and clear, then with England's fatal cord around them pass. Close beside a gallows tree, kiss like brothers lovingly, true to home and faith and freedom to the last. God save Ireland, said the heroes. God save Ireland, said they all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, oh, no matter when, for Ireland here we fall. Never till the latest day shall their memory pass away of the gallant life thus given for our land. But on the cause must go, midst the joy, the weal and woe, till we make our Ireland nation free and glad. God save Ireland, said the heroes. God save Ireland, said they all. Whether on the scaffold high or the battlefield we die, oh, no matter when, for Ireland